Yeah!
Hola gang, and welcome again to Old Nerd Reviews. I'm Tony, I'm your old nerd of the day, and I try things so you don't have to. Today I'm going to be taking a look at the Star Trek original series Bluetooth Communicator handset. This sweet looking communicator is put out by a company called the Wand Company and was sent to me by ThinkGeek so I could show it off to you guys. So first of all, it comes in this box as you saw in the demo video. I want to go ahead and read from the back and tell you exactly what this thing is all about. Put on my old guy goggles. It says the original series Star Trek Communicator is a fully functioning Bluetooth handset compatible with all Bluetooth enabled devices. With its contactless charging stand, high quality MEMS microphone, and large speaker, it doubles as a hand-free kit and a desktop Bluetooth speaker. It says on the front, Bluetooth Communicator, connect with any smartphone to make and receive calls, accurate reproduction of the original 1960s TV series Communicator. And this is all to commemorate the 50th anniversary of the original series. Pair it with any Bluetooth compatible mobile phone, authentic flip to answer action, authentic voices and sound effects from the Star Trek universe, built-in lithium polymer battery, die-cast zinc, and machined aluminum components. So first of all, I noticed how authentic this thing looks. This looks like I just took it off the set of Star Trek, and there's a reason for that. It says it was created from 3D scans of the original prop with 3D texture mapping to replicate the prop's surface finish. So it was definitely lovingly made. The size, the shape, every single inch of this looks absolutely Star Trek original series authentic. Everything I found in the box was impressive. The case that it comes in, the hard shell case that it comes in with the NCC 1701 USS Enterprise Standard Issue Communicator text on there. Then you got that contactless charging station with the solid metal base and the little charging station itself. As you can see, it's run by a USB that's actually in the base rather than the communicator. It wouldn't make much sense to put it in the communicator because that's not how the communicator looks. Then once you have the base together, the communicator has a magnet somewhere in the back of it, and it just snaps right on there. And then all you do is plug the USB cable into the back of your computer, and that's it. It starts charging. It says it takes about 4 hours. When I charged mine, it took maybe 2.5. So it's got a little charging indicator light on the base, and when it's charging, it'll glow between yellow and red, and then when it's fully charged, it'll glow between blue and green. So I mean, there's no guesswork there. You'll know when it's ready to go. And when the communicator needs recharge, it'll actually say power cell drained, and the left jewel will glow red. And that's just down to the very minutest nerdy Star Trek detail. You've got this little simulated holder for the communicator itself. I'm not sure exactly how you would use this except to protect it, put it in your car or in your pocket or whatever. But it does take up the whole length of the communicator, and it once again looks legit. And then you have the detailed manual that comes with it, tells you how to pair it up. Mine paired up really quick, found it almost immediately. And it shows you how to put together the stand and power it up and power it down, and talks about the antenna grill, button functionality, how to unpair it, volume control, making a call, receiving a call, last number redial, playing music with it. And then in the back it tells you how to bring up the sound bites. This thing has 20 different original series sound bites from the crew and just sounds from the ships, the message from Starfleet. Just by adjusting the buttons, just by moving the buttons around, you can hear 20 different sound bites from this thing, and the manual just outlines all of them right there. It tells you how to bring them all up. So once you have it charged up, you go ahead and just turn it on.
Connected.
And as you can hear, it is connected to my cell phone sitting right over there. And the little light flashes and the little dealy bobber, I don't know what to call that, the little dealy bobber in the middle that moves, looks legit, authentic. So once it's all on, to make a call, receive a call, you just flip the grid up. Sounds just like the original series communicator. I'm going to go ahead and see if I can get Google Assistant on here. Didn't have my son around to make a call to me, so... Okay, Google. What's the weather in Vancouver, Washington?
Currently in Vancouver, it's 56 and cloudy. Today, there will be scattered showers with a forecasted high of 64 and a low of 48. You
can redial the last number you made.
Redialing last number.
And just play around with the sounds.
Please repeat, Captain. I didn't receive that. What is your situation?
Enterprise Bridge, Lieutenant Uhura.
Scotty here, Captain. I'll do what I can, sir. Aye, sir. Affirmative, Captain. Enterprise out. Received and understood.
To Captain, USS Enterprise, Starfleet Sector 9. Inauguration ceremonies, Altair 6, have been advanced 7 solar days. Your order to alter your flight plan is filed to accommodate. Order of Comac, Admiral, Starfleet Command. Knowledge.
So the speaker's really nice. You'd think that it would have trouble coming through something that small, but as you can tell, it sounds real good. All in all, this thing is very cool. I love it. I was excited when I got it. I'm excited about it now. In fact, if this thing didn't do anything, if it just sat here and looked pretty, I would love it because it just looks like I got it off the Starship Enterprise. But the fact that it does something and makes calls and makes sounds and lights up and does all kinds of groovy stuff just makes it even better for me. So that's a quick look at the Star Trek original series Bluetooth handset communicator. You can find more information if you'd like to take a further look, get more information than what you got here down below in the description. And there you go, gang. Another demo in the bag. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And remember, I put out videos every Sunday, every Wednesday, and live chats every Saturday at 5 p.m. Pacific. You can catch me on my social networks, Old Nerd Reviews all around, and at the website, oldnerdreviews.com. You guys have a freaking awesome day. Live long and prosper. I cannot make my fingers do that. I've never been able to. Very disappointing. And I'll talk to you later. Bye now.